relevant, relatable, and reliable information from full-time RVers. Like the name NOBO implies, this rugged little trailer has no boundaries and can go wherever you want to take it. The idea behind the 10.6 was, due to its lightweight and small size, most vehicles you already own can tow it. The NOBO 10.6 is 13 feet 9 inches in length, 7 feet 4 inches wide. Keep in mind that many SUVs are just 6.5 feet wide. On the exterior, the NOBO is 7 feet 5 inches high. The interior space dimensions are an impressive 60 by 80 inches, which is larger than a queen-size bed, and has an interior height of 55 inches. And if you remove the cushions, you can fit a full-size ATV in the interior, making this rig a mini off-road toy hauler. Hitch weight on the NOBO 10.6 is 236 pounds. While the unloaded vehicle weight is 1,763 pounds, and the NOBO's cargo carrying capacity is 1,973 pounds. The NOBO 10.6 has a 30-gallon fresh water tank, but no gray or black water tanks. On the door side of this rig, you'll find a full exterior pantry, as well as a pull-out kitchen featuring a 12-volt Dometic CFX 12-volt electric cooler. This cooler runs on AC or DC, and the temperature ranges from 7 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The pull-out kitchen also has a 2-burner propane cooktop. The NOBO 10.6 has an outside shower and optional rooftop sleeper tent that'll sleep 2 to 3 people, doubling the camper's sleeping capacity. The NOBO comes solar prepped and is equipped with an LP Quick Connect. There's an optional Batwing awning system that provides 270 degrees of coverage and provides 118 square feet of shade. You'll find all LED lights both on the interior and the exterior of this rig. The interior of the NOBO 10.6 can be set up in multiple options, which includes a dinette option utilizing 2 fold-down tables on either side of the interior. You can also set it up as a sleeper cabin arrangement with a full-size queen mattress that can be used as a sofa too. The NOBO 10.6 comes with the JBL Flip 5 portable wireless and waterproof Bluetooth speaker. The NOBO 10.6 has welded aluminum framing around all openings. Azdel sidewalls. Azdel has twice the insulation factor of wood with half the weight of wood, and block foam insulation cut to the exact size to fit every opening. Frame-mounted walkable steel fenders and a fully walkable extreme ply PVC roof. The NOBO 10.6 is equipped with a torsion axle with independent suspension and 16-inch nitrogen-filled all-terrain tires. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in more small trailers, check out my video titled 5 Best Small-Sized Campers.